Hello everyone, this is Avidus Gazarian here, and I am about to show you what I am showing you right now is a Macintosh Powerbook 2400C 180 Powerbook model, built without an optical drive, launched and built in 1997, discontinued, manufactured in 1998. This Powerbook is found to be very rare in the US, though highly popular in Japan. Now here, this particular computer does not come with a built-in output port like a floppy disk drive. As such, you would have to actually plug in an external floppy disk drive like a MacBook Air or a new iMac generation. As you can see, this is very, it doesn't look good here, very old. My sister is planning to sell this, and I'm really proud for her. It's not mine, but I'm just doing a video intro. Now I'm going to show you the ultimate demo. Turn it on so all you can see. I'm going to boot it now. Startup chime. Like I said, this computer was built from May 1997 to March 1997 to May 1998. Sold mostly in Japan, rarely in US. It's not very long, and not very much of these out there. Booting Mac OS 8. This computer originally came with Mac OS 7.6.1. Basically, this computer has the basic specs for this computer at the time was 12 megabytes of RAM, 180 megahertz, comes with 1.3 gigabyte hard drive storage, and no internal floppy disk drive. You had to pay one separately. I believe this computer comes loaded with Microsoft Office, ClarisWorks, a bunch of other software. A lot of news, Times, Computer Review magazines at the time said that this is probably perhaps the best fastest laptop ever made at the time, considering its performance and CPU processing. Zoom in. Sorry. Here we are, the specs. Mac OS 8.0. Video doesn't look too clear here. 80 megabytes built-in RAM. Virtual memory 82 megabytes. Largest unused block 73.6 megabytes. Apple computer 1983 to 1997. Pretty ancient. Let's see what we have here. Simple sound. Change the alert sound. Quit that. And go on the internet. Requires dial-up. Netscape Navigator Standard Edition, 1995 to 1997. Cancel. About communicator. Netscape Navigator 4.4, 1994 to 1997. Pretty cool. Let's check out some of the games. See what it's got. First I'm going to check out Word. Do a demo. I hate this. It's annoying, obnoxious. What? Oh, don't want that. Keyboard's not bad at all. Some mistakes on this thing. Found this. Me and my sister found this computer at a thrift store called Valley Central. It was really cool. And you find a lot of stuff like this here. This was like one of a kind item. I'm glad my sister's thinking of shipping this thing, because finding these things, there's not very much out there. There's like one or two. This is like one of its last kinds. I mean, if you had it, you may be better off selling it to a really high bidder, or just keeping it for a little bit longer and see how much it's worth now, so it builds value. What else it's got in here? What else it's got? Applications. Spin Doctor. Actually, no, let's try this. This looks interesting. Interesting little game. Pick. Ready. Prepare for battle. Fun game called Hyper Maze. The object of this game that you have to find these objects or diamonds. It's really cool, actually. I'm really thinking about downloading this somewhere. You know what really the reason why this really makes this computer unique is its performance. New power PC processor at the time. This is around the time Steve Jobs came back. These things are just rare. I hardly come anywhere close to these kinds of Macs. These were like seriously retro for its time, for today. Quit that. It's fun. Let's see what else. Just a Macintosh Powerbook Duo. Sorry, hold on for a second. Just a Macintosh Powerbook product feature tour. Here we go. Macintosh Powerbook Duo 2300C 100 megahertz power PC 603E 9-inch backlit active matrix color display, 8 or 20 megabytes expandable to 56, 750 megabytes or 1.1 gigabytes. 8.5 times 10.9 times 1.5 inches, 4.8 pounds. There's a docking connector, local talk serial, modem port, power adapter port as well. Don't need this. Pretty cool. I really feel bad that Apple stopped making computers like these, but not quite. Oh, they even got solitaire. They even got solitaire. Just damn. I'm a quitter. I'm gonna check the Apple System Profiler. It doesn't look too good on here. Jigsaw puzzle. Oh, something startled me. Forget it. Graphing calculator. Cool. Now the best part of this video. Shutdown. Yay! Thank you, users. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and enjoy my video. Wait, I already said that a long time ago. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and support my sister. Thank you very much. This is the Venus Kazarian, and I'm sorry.